Tigers, the largest of all big cats, are captivating creatures that prowl the dense jungles of Asia. What sets them apart is their extraordinary strength and striking orange coat adorned with bold black stripes. These majestic hunters are known for their stealth and power, capable of taking down prey twice their size. Tigers are also solitary animals, maintaining vast territories and often remaining hidden from human sight. Their presence in various cultures symbolizes courage and strength. Yet they face critical threats from habitat loss and poaching, making their conservation a pressing global concern to ensure these iconic creatures continue to roam our planet.